Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make a video that is home remedies which you can apply on your face. So let's begin. So first we are gonna apply honey. Okay, I'm applying this honey. You can apply anything. So take in a container like this, little bit of this you can see, and apply on your face like this. It's gonna be sticky, but it's helpful. By applying honey, your face will glow. And after finishing up applying, then you can at least wait for 20 or half an hour for it to dry. Okay, then I will say the next part. Till then, see you. Guys, see my skin? Now it's 1 second. Show you. See, it's fully refreshed, and now you will be seeing it will be glowing, and your pimples and all will be reducing in this if you apply. So guys, one thing I'll say you, yesterday you see over here one pimple was there. I'm saying it a secret. One pimple was there. Now I have applied and kept for a few minutes. Seeing the pimple has gone. If you apply daily, at least twice a week, your pimple will be reducing. So you have to apply it. Okay. So we'll go with the next for a home remedy. Guys, now the second part, and we'll be applying tomato. So take a slice of tomato, apply it on your skin like this. You can take a small slice also, no issue. But make sure you apply the juicy part. So yeah, take the juicy part and apply it like this. Be applying till this tomato, this part gets over, and okay, be applying. be pricking, like this is the red be doing like this on the surface so that the juice comes out. So after applying, you wait for more 30 minutes and see the reaction. Guys, you can see my face, it's fully, again I am saying it's, as you can see after 30 minutes I have again washed it and it's glowing. So you can use this tomato also for a daily use your face. So we'll go with the next remedy, okay? The last and final remedy is the turmeric. You can see I have taken the turmeric lotion. So I'll start on applying it. One second. Yeah. Guys, I've taken little watery lotion. If you want, you can take a little oh, rough one. And this is organic turmeric I have taken. You can use the normal turmeric which I use in a daily use. Guys, I have applied the turmeric lotion. So see, one thing I'll say, after you wash this one, there will be little yellow substance remain on your skin. For taking out that, you can use the wheat flour thing to make the yellow substance go. If you don't want, the yellow substance will go automatically by itself. Okay. So apply gently on your face like this. And when you are done, wait for 30 minutes and so till, but this, that one, the other two which one I was applying, they do not get dry. So I was washing it by half an hour. But turmeric thing, it dries quickly. So when it starts drying, wash, okay, or else the yellow substance will be more darker. It will be hard to go by fast. So then wait for them till it get dried. So I have washed my face. You can see the yellow substance have still remained in my face. So it will go by time. That's no worry. If you want to go it fast, you can apply wheat flour on your face. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. And if you want more, and I'm gonna post more videos on this remedies, home remedies, and all. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And like I have created, I'm making this home remedies video like because like using face packs daily is not good for kids actually. For elders also, it's not good. And kids cannot apply those uh, face packs on their faces. So that's why I made this video that kids also can apply honey, turmeric, and tomato. But the best home remedy I can say is tomato because it's pure and all, and honey also. Turmeric you can apply, but on daily basis if you apply, your face will turn yellow, as you can see my face in one time. I'll apply organic one also, it takes time. So I'll be uploading more videos on this. So you have to subscribe to my channel if you want to see it. So bye guys, see you on my next video. So bye.